everyone. My name is Georgia Monroe, and today I will be doing News to You Current Events. The title is Irwin Family Helps Animals. A famous family helps many wild animals. This family is the Irwin family from Australia. The Irwin family has a TV show. The Irwin family owns a zoo called the Australia Zoo. Australia had big wildfires in 2019 and 2020. Wildfires burn quickly through the wilderness. The wildfires hurt many wild animals. The Irwin family wanted to help the animals. The Irwin family brought animals to the Australia Zoo. Because of the fire was running the animals out of the wilderness and they were hurt. They got burned or scorched from the fires. So the Irwin family just took them in. The Australia Zoo is in Queensland, Australia. The Australia Zoo includes a hospital for wild animals. Doctors cared for the hurt animals at the hospital. The animals included koalas, bilsbees, kangaroos, foxes, and platypuses. Some animals had burns from the wildfires. Doctors gave the medicine to the animals. Doctors cared for the animals day and night. The Irwin family helped care for the animals too. And together, they helped more than 90,000 animals. That's a lot of animals. The Irwin family has helped animals for many years. A famous zookeeper was part of the Irwin family. That zookeeper was Steve Irwin. Steve Irwin helped many animals his whole life. Steve died in 2006. The Irwin family continues to help animals. The Irwin family includes Steve's wife, Terry Irwin. Steve and Terry had two kids. Their daughter, Bendy Irwin, is 21 years old, and their son, Robert Irwin, is 16 years old. The Irwin family started a TV show in 2018. This TV show is called Quickly. It's the Irwins. The TV show is about the Irwin family, and the TV show films the Irwin family caring for animals. It films the Irwin family helping animals around the world. They do a lot. They got a zoo, they got a TV show, they helping out animals. They're doing a lot. That's good. The Irwin family loves animals, and that's why they do it, because they love the animals. They care for animals at the Australia Zoo. The Irwin family helped animals after the Australia wildfires. They cared for the animals at the zoo hospital. Would you like to care for animals? The Irwin family cares for animals at the Australia Zoo. Terry Irwin, which is the daughter, is from Eugene, Oregon. She met and married Steve Irwin. Bendy is the daughter. Okay, start over. Hello, my name is Georgia Monroe, and I am a teacher at Metro School. I will be doing a current event called News to You. The title is Irwin Family Helps Animals. A famous family helps many wild animals. This family is the Irwin family from Australia. The Irwin family has a TV show. The Irwin family owns a zoo called the Australia Zoo. Australia had big wildfires in 2019 and 2020. Wildfires burn quickly through the wilderness. The wilderness hurt many animals, the wild animals. The Irwin family wanted to help the animals. The Irwin family brought animals to the Australia Zoo. The Australia Zoo is in Queensland, Australia. The Australia Zoo includes a hospital for wild animals. So the wildfires was running the animals out of the wildfire, running the animals out of the wilderness, and they were getting burned, they were getting scorched, getting hurt in the process. So the Irwin family went and got them and brought them to their zoo, which they have a hospital. And at their zoo, they have doctors that care for hurt animals at the hospital. The animals included koalas, bilsbees, kangaroos, foxes, and platypuses. Some animals had burns from the wildfires. Doctors gave medicine to the animals. Doctors cared for the animals day and night. The Irwin family helped care for the animals too. Together, they have helped more than 90,000 animals. The Irwin family has helped animals for many years. A famous zookeeper was part of the Irwin family. The zookeeper was Steve Irwin. Steve Irwin helped animals his whole life. Steve died in 2006. The Irwin family continues to help animals. The Irwin family includes Steve's wife, Terry Irwin. Steve and Terry have two children, two kids. Their daughter, Bendy Irwin, is 21 years old, and their son, Robert Irwin, is 16 years old. The Irwin family started a TV show in 2018. Not too long ago, 2 years ago. This TV show is called Quickly. It's the Irwins. The TV show is about the Irwin family. The TV show films the Irwin family caring for animals. It films the Irwin family helping animals around the world. The Irwin family loves animals. They care for animals at the Australia Zoo. The Irwin family helped animals after the Australia wildfires. They care for animals at the zoo hospital. Would you like to care for animals? The Irwin family cares for animals at the Australia Zoo. Terry Irwin is from Eugene, Oregon. She met and married Steve Irwin in Australia. Bendy Irwin, their daughter, was married at the Australia Zoo in March. Robert Irwin is a wildlife photographer. The Australia Zoo is in Queensland, Australia. The Australia Zoo is 50 years old in 2020. This year, it will be 50 years old. Steve Irwin's parents started the Australia Zoo in 1970. Ooh, this has a long history of family. Zoo visitors can learn about many animals. They can feed and pet animals too. Queensland, Australia. The Australia Zoo is in Queensland, Australia. Queensland, Australia is an area in northeastern Australia. The Coral Sea is off the coast of Queensland. The Great Barrier Reef is in the Coral Sea, and many people snorkel and dive around the reef. And that ends our lesson, our story for current news today. You can also do a snack, a zoo snack, with your parents. And these toasty old cereals. You will need animal crackers, fish crackers, pretzels, roasted sunflower kernels, raisins, a large bowl, and a large spoon. You're going to take the cereal, animal crackers, fish crackers, pretzels, and you're going to stir it in a bowl. Then after that, you're going to put the sunflower kernels and the raisins in the bowl, and you're going to stir that together. And then guess what you're going to do? You're going to eat it. And it's called Zoo Snack Mix. It's almost like a trail mix. It sounds like a trail mix to me. Joke page. Knock, knock. Who's there? On. On who? Only a month until summer. Wow. I have a joke. Tell me. Where do wild animals work out? I don't know where. The jungle gym. Let's do this review page. Okay. Number 1, what is the paper about? Is it about sharing happiness? Is it about Greta Thunberg and Earth? Or is it about the Irwin family helps animals? If you have chosen the Irwin family helps animals, you got this correct. Question number 2, who helps many wild animals? The Irwin family? Or is it Susan B. Anthony? Or is it Martin Luther King? Think about it. If you have chosen Irwin family, you have gotten this correct. Number 3, where did the Irwin family bring animals? Did they bring them to the International Spy Museum, NASCAR Hall of Fame, Australia Zoo? If you have picked Australia Zoo, you have gotten this correct. Number 4, where is the Irwin family from? Are they from Iceland, Australia, or Taiwan? If you have picked Australia, you have gotten this correct. Number 5, where did the doctors care for the animals? Did they care for them in the school, the hospital, or museum? If you have picked the hospital, you have gotten this correct. And last question is number 6, what are koalas and kangaroos? Are they wild animals, farm animals, or sea animals? If you have picked wild animals, you have gotten this correct. This concludes our lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot about the Irwin family and Australia and wild animals. And have a great day. Goodbye.